Welcome to the BMW 7 Series, where luxury, innovation, and performance come together. Designed to impress, this flagship sedan represents the highest level of comfort and sophistication. At first glance, the bold kidney grille and striking LED headlights create a powerful presence. Every line and curve is carefully crafted to combine elegance with modern design. The premium alloy wheels and performance brake system highlight BMW's attention to detail. Even in motion, every element reflects precision engineering and dynamic performance. On the road, the BMW 7 Series delivers a smooth and refined driving experience. Its aerodynamic design and advanced technology ensure comfort, stability, and confidence on every journey. Step inside, and you're welcomed by a luxurious cabin featuring premium leather, ambient lighting, and state-of-the-art digital displays. Every detail is designed to enhance comfort and convenience. Rear passengers enjoy executive-class luxury with spacious seating, premium materials, and advanced entertainment features. It's a space designed for ultimate relaxation. With its sleek silhouette and commanding presence, the BMW 7 Series stands out wherever it goes. It is a true symbol of prestige and modern luxury. Performance remains at the heart of the experience. Powerful engines, intelligent suspension, and advanced driving systems work together to deliver effortless acceleration and exceptional control. As night arrives, the elegant lighting design transforms the vehicle's appearance, creating a distinctive and unforgettable presence on the road. Under the hood, advanced engineering provides the perfect balance of power, efficiency, and refinement, making every drive enjoyable and rewarding. The BMW 7 Series is more than a luxury sedan. It's a statement of excellence, innovation, and style. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more luxury car content.